see a white dot. This one is, oh, both of these are Caucasian. She's down in there.
Okay. All right.
Take out the core.
It's going to be going in this little green one. I'm just going to kind of put this here. Some of that other stuff coming out.
Spot now, yeah, it's a good spot for it. All right, she's in between with
Mom's
the cage
in.
open, facing in the seam.
Right.
Now we're gonna shake and dump.
All right, girls, make yourself a home.
Probably good enough. That right there.
They can smell mama.
Way out. You want this one next to?
Sure, doesn't matter to me.
Brood frame.
Yeah, that one was the brood frame, and then the next one is the honey frame. So they have food, and they have brood that should anchor them. And are we gonna fill up their feeder?
Yep, put some syrup in the feeder. And then I'm also going to just give them a couple of spritzes here.
Yep, kind of settle them down. Make it so they can't fly. Cleaning off each other. Clean each other, ladies. Don't fly. Clean. Do you want to put some pollen on them or no?
Yeah, we can. We should. It'll be a little while till she's out and laying, but
Yeah. All right. This is our first Caucasian, right?
yep.
What should we name her? Caucasian. I don't know. She's from the Caucasian Mountains. We call her Mountain Lady, Mountain Queen.
Might as well put that in there.
All right.
Let's fix it.
Just a very thick.
Here.
All right. All of our other hives are like, what is going on? We need to get an entrance reducer.
Yep. Dribble, 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 dribble.
Eat up, ladies. They're like, yes. I don't even have to walk anywhere to get food. It just came to
Cover.
me.
Look how it goes. In or out. You on me out.
All right, we'll have to come up for a name with this one.
And then she just needs a lid.
We'll give her pollen later.
No, we won't. We're gonna do that now.
Okay. right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video. All right, she's in.